Hello everyone, welcome to Akeras Planet YouTube channel, and we invite you to study Endgames together with Akeras. Akeras will be mm, getting deep into Endgame studies, and especially for those who don't like reading books, let me put on full screen. Uh, Face cam. Okay, so especially for those who don't like reading books, Keras already read those books. Uh, this is one of those books. He will be presenting some diagrams and information. Another book, actually two books is Dvoretsky's Endgame, but one is uh, it's fast track edition, and another is Dvoretsky's Endgame Manual. So Akira says that those two books were most influential for him, even though he started with this book. Okay. Also, he will take some examples from this book, uh, Grind like a Grandmaster Magnus's, uh, which he found pretty interesting, right? And he found also some mistakes in this book.
Yeah.
And also, this book is very good for beginners who wants to learn the principles of chess and how to study chess on your own, and improve your chess calculations. So pretty much, while studying the end games, um, he will be while he create this how we could call the series of videos for you to watch. He will be addressing a lot of information in this book. To avoid the infringement of copyright, he's not gonna be reading it. He might use some diagrams or some names of the chapters, but everything Akeras will be using whatever he remembers from those books, and also material he use online courses, another YouTubers, and grandmasters lessons. So all this information he will synthesize, and like I said, especially for those who doesn't like to read books, this will be very useful material for you to learn. And consider learning and subscribing to Akeras Planning YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on notifications, ring that little bell. Not only subscribe, but click and ring the bell to turn on all the notifications. So because we cannot guarantee that we'll be posting videos at the same time. So, and also we in United States, Florida, so probably will be posting, in the evening, so it will be late at night already somewhere else. And so yeah, please turn on notifications, and we would recommend you to repeat the session at least twice, or maybe even three times, just to sink into your memory. What else? Please write in the comments what you think, what you want Akeras to focus more, because Akeras rating right now on chess.com is 2875. So his material, his teaching style will be more to advanced players.
If you want like some more, like, let's say not like pawn end games, maybe you're like many people will want me to teach like other end games, like maybe for beginners will be more complicated, like knight end games, with the knight movements. So I might teach that then.
Yeah, and another thing, if you wanna know the full story of what happened to Akeras, because he was suspended by U.S. Chess Federation, which is complete lie and false by U.S. Federation. So you can go also read the story in at Akeras Planet YouTube channel. Watch the videos, or check the information makechessgreat.com, and you can also purchase the hat. Akeras
Get
has,
yours today.
yeah, and you can get your hat today, and Akeras can autograph. Also, consider subscribing if you want to play simul games. If you wanna, if somebody is very serious, like really serious, to become state champion or your country champion in very short period of time. The unique thing about Akeras is that he progressed like 3 times faster than most other strong chess players. So I'm sure there will be a lot for you to learn from Akeras, and Akeras will start teaching endgames. But I guess we just start from lesson 1. Right now we just invited people to join, and we're gonna finish this video and go and watch. We will create the playlist called Endgames. That's how we're gonna call it, right?
Yeah.
So you will see lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson whatever, 50 or 100, whatever lessons. But there will be, he will go from the very beginning till the very end, to cover everything. So and we're gonna name those endgame lessons from 1 to whatever, so you can come back and repeat and check the what you need to study.
I'll also show some diagrams, so really more practical.
Yes. So please subscribe to Akeras YouTube
Channel?
Akeras Planet YouTube channel, makechessgreat.com, and let me see if I can pull this, if I can put this on a screen. This is YouTube channel, and let me find where is the Make Chess Great here, and also GoFundMe.
Yeah.
GoFundMe, because Akeras needs your help, that's for sure. He is very strong chess player, and there are many reasons to subscribe and follow him. And now Akeras is ready to share his knowledge. Akeras, you go on find me, and also you can read Akeras' story on GoFundMe and also support him. So let me show full screen. Here is Stop Injustice, Help Akeras Overcome Adversity. People donating money to Akeras, and you can do that too. Or you can go on
makechessgreat.com.
how I close this one?
You can't.
No, I can't. Okay, so you can go on shop and purchase red or blue hat or lessons from Akeras, and you can donate if you want. You can donate here,
Or GoFundMe.
or just go on GoFundMe, or simply you will help a lot if you can help Akeras. That would be great. If not, just learn and simply subscribe to Akeras Planet YouTube channel, and that already will be big help for Akeras. You can see the videos. Akeras played Magnus, Akeras played Hikaru in person. I don't know if you can see me. But anyway, please, you are welcome to study with Akeras.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time, and let's start endgame study.